In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a group chat on Snapchat mobile app on your iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat mobile app and then tap right here to head over to chats. To create a group chat, we need to tap right here at this blue button at the bottom right. And after that, if we want to create a new group, we need to tap right here. That's where we can select any users we want to add to our group. We can add up to 200 users to the particular group. And once you've selected all the users, at the top here, you can also name that group. I'm just gonna enter test group. And then to continue, I'm gonna tap add chat with group. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, the group is already created and we can have a conversation with all the members simply by sending our messages here in that way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.